Hey there, I'm Seth. I've been working on a tab management extension for Google Chrome and Chromium-based browsers like Microsoft Edge. It's called TabCloser. TabCloser was designed to help keep your tabs a little more tidy by closing out tabs that are commonly redirected to a dedicated desktop client. If you're like me, unless you're proactively closing your tabs throughout the day, you might end your day with quite a few leftover Zoom join tabs, a few Figma files that are redirected back to the Figma app, or a few Spotify tabs from songs or playlists that are shared with you throughout the day from your friends or your coworkers. So today, TabCloser is looking for dedicated URLs to those services and automatically closing those tabs that are commonly redirected to a dedicated client. So for Figma files, we're looking for figma.com/file. This is associated with a Figma link that can be opened in the Figma app itself. If you open a Figma community profile or a community file or a community plugin or anything of that sort, it won't close that tab. It's just looking for a Figma file itself that can be redirected. For Spotify tabs, we're looking for open.spotify.com. This is associated with pretty much any link within Spotify that can be opened in the Spotify desktop client itself. We also support Zoom links and WebEx links, but it's specifically looking for the join Zoom and join WebEx meeting session link versus any Zoom or any WebEx link. We also support VS Live Share. If you're using VS Code and you generate a live share link and share that, that can be opened itself in the VS Code app. So we're going to close that tab down as well. We also have support for Discord invites. If you click a Discord invite out of a subreddit or someone sends you one to join their server, it's going to pop up in a Chrome tab before it actually opens up in Discord itself. And this will give you opportunity to browse the server and join the server without worrying about that tab in the background. So let's take a look at TabCloser and how it works. So once you're on your browser, you can actually just click the TabCloser options to get to the options menu. You just click on the icon itself. As you can see, by default, all of our services are enabled. You can actually just uncheck any of these that you don't want to close automatically. If you uncheck Discord invites, it's not going to close tabs that are associated with Discord invites. And we also have this close time section here. So this is just determining how quickly TabCloser should close a tab after it's been opened. So TabCloser is only looking for new tabs when a new tab event is actually fired off in Chrome. So once a new tab is fired off, we're going to be taking this close time plus a 5-second new tab buffer time and then closing. So if this is set to 10 and we add 5, this means a new tab will close within 15 seconds. If we jump this to 15, now this means the tab will close within 20 seconds. So I'm just going to turn it back to 10 for now. But essentially what this does is we add a 5-second new tab buffer to kind of help accommodate if you were to manually open a new tab and then paste the link in. We want there to be a little bit of buffer time. That way we can actually detect the URL that is pasted in and be able to close that tab if we need to. So let me show you a few sample links of how this actually works. So I have a few links prepared here. We have a Figma file, Spotify, a Zoom, and a Discord invite. So I'm just going to click on these and they'll open in their dedicated respective clients as we go. So here's the Figma file. That just opened up in my Figma desktop app on my other monitor. Same for this Spotify. It's going to actually ask. And then that opened up in my Spotify app on my other monitor. Same for Zoom, it'll ask, open up. And same for Discord. So as you can see, these are already closing out. The Zoom one here is next, and then the Discord tab will close down shortly after. So both of those just closed. And yeah, that's TabCloser. Pretty simple, straightforward add-on. Only supports a handful of services today. But TabCloser is open source, and you can learn more at tabcloser.com. We look forward to you using it and hearing your feedback and hope you enjoy it. Thanks.